Do you have to stay on GLP-1s forever?
To be honest, the answer is it depends. There isn't a limit for how long a person can take a GLP-1 medication. So technically, you can take it indefinitely, including if you started at an appropriate weight and managed to get all the way down to a healthy BMI. To actually maintain at a healthy BMI would also be really appropriate. But I think some people do benefit from thinking about GLP-1s as long-term treatments. And of course, we want people to develop healthy habits, but ultimately we very commonly see kind of two pathways. Pathway number one is where patients try to take the medication for a period of time.
Yeah.
And while they do that, they try to build healthy habits and routines, and, they increase the amount of protein and fiber that they're having, they improve their sleep and, come up with maybe more consistent movement. But unfortunately for a lot of people, just human biology means that it drives hunger, it drives cravings, and those don't disappear when you lose weight, despite developing those healthier habits. And so for some people, a really good option is to stay in a maintenance dose longer term, and that's particularly useful if they have tried to stop in the past and they've regained weight, if they maybe have an underlying medical condition, and that isn't dependency. I would term it to being similar to how a person takes blood pressure medications or medications for their cholesterol.